What's up, gents? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we have a new project. This is gonna be our personal project. It might be 2 videos, it might be 4 videos, but it won't be 1 video. But I got a gents here to help me today. New crew.
You, I was always here.
Yeah, I have a one here. We're busy prepping the car for spray painting. Yeah, gents, follow us as we spray this car and rebuild it. Yeah, gents, if you're wondering of the red car, okay, the red car's video is gonna be before this one, before I upload this one. I'm gonna upload it one. But yeah, gents, follow us as we go. Prep the car for spray painting and then spray. Yeah, here's the car, gents. Here's the gents. Here's key. Here's the trending hot. And then there we are, busy prepping it, taking all the old paint. This car is basically empty, gents. How long do you think we're gonna take for this one? How long do you think? It is the original blue there. This is the blue it's supposed to be, not this blue. So we're gonna make it the original color again. Yeah, gents, follow us as we prep the car for spray painting. Yeah, sure. Hij is net primer. Je weet hem nga is voor die watse namen. Als je koud slaat. There you all go, gents. Prep. Ready for primer. Ready for primer. Stay tuned, gents. What's up, gents? Welcome back to the same video. This is part 2, day 2. So in this day, you'll see. I forgot to put the intro in, man. Yeah, we seen the primer. We put on the base coat. I'll show you now how the car looks. It's almost done. We put on the base coat. Yeah, gents, check it out. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Anko. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another day in the video. Yeah. So today we just busy finishing up like the rest of the things, the bonnet, the bumper, side mirrors. Yeah, it's basically just it. Let me show you how we sprayed clear coat. Okay, sprayed clear coat. I'll show you the clipper be-in of the clear coat. Yeah, let me show you, gents, what we're gonna do in the coming days. I don't know if I must make it one video or 2 episodes, but yeah, gents, there's things we have to put in. Let me first show you how the car looks, gents. Now go. Yeah, gents, that is how far we got on the car. So what do you gents think? Should this be a personal vehicle, or should we just build it, make it nice, sell it, get something better for the channel? Maybe more cars, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share with family and friends. Thank you, gents, for all the support, guys. For all of you that are watching always, thank you, guys. Stay tuned. Yeah, sure.